Hello, I'm Simon King, CEO of Ivor King. My father started the business back in 1974. From humble beginnings, we're proud to have gone on to become a leading UK piling contractor. Half a century later, we remain a family-owned business which continues to bear my father's name. This is the main hub that supports our core business, which is supplying sheet pile and board pile solutions to construction and civil engineering. We employ over 100 people now to do what we do. It's not just putting piles in the ground, it's so much more. We have our own fleet of heavy haulage vehicles for delivering plant and equipment, plus we've got our own accredited construction training facility that operates from this site as well. Our training centre boasts first-class training facilities with time-served qualified instructors, fully equipped for upskilling our staff with the skills they need. It's virtually impossible to train out on site these days, but at Ivor King Training we can recreate various real-life scenarios in a controlled environment without all the other site constraints. We've purpose-built our workshop facilities to serve the business. Our plant fitters maintain all of the plant and equipment that operates on site. Our piling rigs, excavators, silent pilers. They make sure all the equipment leaves here in tip-top condition, cleaned and checked and serviced and ready to go, which minimises breakdowns out on site. Having a team of experienced plant fitters also means we can respond quickly if we do have a problem with our machine out on site, dealing swiftly with any breakdowns, which is good for us, good for our customer, and keeps everything moving. We also have an in-house team of mechanics who look after our lorries, trailers and vans so that we can keep our vehicles on the road with much less downtime. We're fully kitted out for maintenance and repairs, and we've invested in an inspection pit and brake roller test. Work cabins are prepared here in our stores department and are sent out to site fully stocked with all the spare parts, equipment, tools and supplies our piling gangs need to do the job. In this area, our PPE stores carry extensive supplies to make sure everybody is always fully supplied with the correct safety workwear. We also carry out rigorous inspections of all our lifting equipment using our own fully qualified technicians every time it goes out to site. Every chain, every shackle, every sling, they're all examined for any defects before they go out again. Safety is our #1 priority. Our yard carries an extensive stock of steel sheet piles, a few thousand tonne at any one time, allowing us to react quickly to any emergency situation. Ivor King Transport also operates from our central hub and is an essential part of the business. Because we run our own internal fleet of specialist trucks and trailers, we can deliver all the plant and materials we need direct to site whenever we need it. It gives us ultimate flexibility over our deliveries and allows us to react quickly. We've invested a lot in specialist trailers that allow us to get in and out of very tight sites with quite large machines. We always try to be ahead of the curve, and that's why we continually invest in the latest equipment, the latest technologies, continually looking for better, cleaner, more efficient ways to do what we do and serve our customers to innovate where possible. By far our biggest investment is in our people. The lifeblood of our company, our biggest asset. We're proud to employ some of the best in the business, and we have plenty of homegrown talent too. My main job these days is to oversee the ongoing development of the business, and I'm extremely proud of what we've achieved so far and the facilities we have. But I couldn't do any of this without the input and the efforts of everybody who works here. We'll continue to evolve to meet new challenges because you can't go forward by standing still, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for Ivor King.